Yes, hello there. Now, what I can say is here's a model that you don't see every day. This is completely one-off, scratch-built model of a Caledonian rain car ferry. These were used, and still used, up on the islands and islands of Scotland to go between the many islands up in the Scottish Hebrides, all over the place. I mean, obviously this one's Lochaline. I've actually been on a couple of these. This one's taken from a 1970s boat, but there are still sailing very, very much the same. Even to this present day, some of them are getting replaced at the moment, but the old ones still seem to keep going. It's a lovely scale model. It's modelled up to around about, well, it's no actual scale. It was actually scaled around the vehicles that are on the deck, which are around about the 1/40th, 1/32nd scale in between the two. So the figures you see are around about almost exactly the right size, along with the vehicles. The vehicles can be removed if you wish, and the whole of the deck, which starts from here all the way along, literally the whole lot just comes off all in one. So it's lovely and easy to work on the inside, and it does need to be, because as you can probably see from the pictures, the propulsion system is rather strange. You will never have seen anything like it, probably. It has a complete amount of 8 propellers on the boat. You've got 2 at the rear, 2 at the front, and you've got another 2 on the port and 2 on the starboard. These actually act, there's a tunnel which goes underneath, so these actually pull the water in from the bottom of the boat and pump it out through the side if you're wondering how they work. And obviously, so you've got 8 props, 8 motors, and 4 speed controllers. The speed controllers work, you've got a head and a stern on port and starboard, or you've got forwards and backwards on left and right, so that's 2 channels. And then you've got port and starboard, or left and right, thrusters at the front and the same at the back. So literally, if needs be, the whole ferry can be turned around in a complete circle without even moving it forwards and backwards, or it'll just go literally in a straight line forwards, straight line backwards. When it's being powered forwards, the rear props are pushing and the front props are pulling, and the same on the port and starboard side, as one set are pushing, the other's pulling. So yeah, quite an interesting setup. The wiring is, you'd think it's a really complicated, but actually once you get your head around it, it's pretty straightforward really. It runs on 4 I would say electronised speed controllers, but the 2 sensor ones are early electronised, so it has got 4 electronised speed controllers, obviously, which control your speed and control your steering. So it comes with a 4-channel radio, 2.4 gigahertz, so nice modern radio, reasonably simple to use, but what a lovely model. I mean, this looks amazing, just sat on a mantelpiece or a sideboard. It's a real talking point. Everybody comments on it when they see it. Yeah, because it's a really unusual model. That's it. It's completely 100% scratch built. It's constructed from mainly ABS with aluminium stringers front to rear, top and bottom. It's strengthened up with double skinned inside, so it's been thought about when it's been built. Like I say, it's nice and easy to get at. and a completely and utterly one-off model. You'll never ever see another one. It'd be interesting to see if anybody else has actually built one. I've never seen one before. So yeah, it's got some lovely scale detail on it, to all the hydraulic lines on the drop down row doors. To your life rafts, seats, even the cabin's got some nice detail inside. It's a little bit sunny at the moment, so everything's reflecting, but you can see the detail. It really is nice. So if you're interested, this one will be going on eBay. I think it's the 15th this weekend, so it will be going on that weekend. Sorry, the 15th of August. Summer holidays. So if you want something completely unusual to sale, this could be it. There we go. One Calmac Ferry.